Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. Children, here I am going to explain parts and whole chapter from page number 63. So children, here we have one story. Let's read the story. What is written? Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. So this man is Ramesh and he has bought halwa for his children Amu. He has two daughters. One is Amu and another one is Anu. Okay, you can see he has halwa in his hand also. He divided it equally for them. So what he did, children, he divided it equally for them. So what he has done, he has divided it into two equal parts. You can see here one part is this and another part is this. Okay, so he has divided this halwa in two equal parts. Okay, so now each will get dash part of halwa. So children, you all know this part is 1 by 2 and this part is again 1 by 2. So here what you will get, what you will write, children, each will get 1 by 2 means half part of halwa. Okay, because he has divided it into two equal parts and each part is 1 by 2. Now this piece is too big, we can't eat it, they said. What his daughter said, Amu and Anu, that these pieces are very big, we are unable to eat these pieces, हम इसे इन pieces को नहीं खा पाएंगे. So he decided he divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Amu get? So children, this piece is for Amu, okay, and this piece is for Anu. So here children, what he did, he divided the pieces into half again. So he has divided this piece into two parts, you can see here, okay, and this piece also into two parts, you can see here, okay, these two parts. Now your question is, now how many pieces will Amu get? So you can see here, children, Amu, how many pieces she will get, children? She will get two pieces, and Anu also, she will get two pieces. Okay, now here what is written, what part of the halwa is it? Because both are getting two pieces and total number of parts 4, so you have to tell what part of the halwa is it. So here children, your answer is 2 by 4, or you can also say half. Okay, moving to the next part. So here children, what is written, make it even smaller, dad, they asked. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Okay, thank you, dad. So what Amu and Anu told, कि these pieces are again very big, and they told that please again make it smaller. Okay, now what Ramesh has done, he has again divided these pieces into two parts. You can see here two parts is this, okay, and for this two part is this, okay, and for this two part is this, and for this two part is this. Okay, so Ramesh has again divided these four parts into equal parts. Okay, so you can see here, children, make it even smaller, dad, they asked. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Now I am going to circle the share that Amu will get four parts. Okay, I have circled by green color. Now I am taking another color so that it will be more clear to you, and Anu will again get four parts over here, you can see. Okay, now children, what we have to do, we have some more questions, we have to answer these questions. Okay, now moving to the next page. So what is written over here, children? Now how many pieces will each get? So children, from this it is very clear, you have to tell now how many pieces will each get. Okay, so here your answer will be, each will get four pieces. You can see here this part is for Amu, so, and this part is for Anu. Okay, so Anu. Okay, now how many pieces will each get? So children, here your answer will be four pieces. Okay, now next question is, what part of the halwa is each piece now? So very simple, children, here you can see each part, what part of the halwa is each piece now. So children, here your answer will be 4/8. Okay, so here I am writing 4/8. Okay.